Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is final week assignment, week 12 assignment of the course data analytics with Python. So for this season we have tried our best to give you the most probable solutions guys. If you feel the same, please keep subscribe our channel forever guys. So like this video and please share this with your friends and classmates. So let's start the video. So please watch the video till the end guys without skipping. So I tried my best to give you the most accurate solutions. So your opinions are invited. If there should be any changes to be made, then I will definitely update that in the comment section guys. So please give your opinion in the comment section positively about the answer if you want to change, so that we can discuss that. So let's see the first question guys. Which clustering algorithm works well when the shape of the clusters is hyperspherical? So for first question, it should be first option, that is k-means guys. So actually all these three will work, but if you go with the word works well, then I think option k-means should be the probable solution. So if you want to go by whether it should be just works well, then you can go for all the above, but they're asking which works well, so I'm going with first option guys, k-means. Next, second one. In decision tree, an internal node represents what? So for second question, the probable answer is first option, a test on an attribute. A test on an attribute. Next, third question. Third one, choose the correct statement about the cart model. So for third question, I think the probable answer is fourth option, that is both B and C. That means cart is a supervised learning technique and adopts a greedy approach. Fourth option. Next, fourth question guys. Fourth one. So before getting into knowing this solution, I want to make a small announcement guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. These are the previous year's questions guys. So for the course data analytics with Python, we have collected the previous year's questions. So here you are getting a huge number of 120 MCQs guys. 120 MCQs in a Google Drive restricted PDF link. So for one person it is just 250 rupees guys, and if you are 2 to 5 persons, you can take it combinedly for 500 rupees guys. So for one person it is 250 rupees. If you are a group of 2 to 5 persons, that means if your classmates or friends doing the same course along with you, then you can form as a group, and you can take it combinedly for 500 rupees guys. So 120 MCQs for one person, 250 rupees. For 2 to 5 members group, 500 rupees guys. So if you want to purchase this course MCQs, please mention that in the mail guys. So mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So you can mail me to this email ID guys. So remember guys, do remember that only if you are confirmed, only if you want to make purchase, then only mail me guys. So 120 MCQs, for one person it is 250 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 rupees guys. You'll get that in a Google Drive PDF link, restricted link guys. So already many students have started taking our pack and also started preparing guys. So take it now itself to get more time to prepare. So we have already come to an end to the course. So 120 MCQs guys, 120 MCQs. So for one person 250 rupees, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly access if you want, it is 500 rupees guys as a group. So if you want to mail me, then mail how many persons access you want and which subject you want, and please mail me only if you are confirmed to make the payment guys, because many students are waiting for us. So we have to arrange every student in a priority order. So who messaged us first, so it's a completely first come first serve basis guys. It's on that. So only if you are confirmed to make the payment, then only mail me guys. So once make talks with your friends and classmates before messaging, and you can take this pack guys. So that's it guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. Which library is used to build the decision tree model? So for fourth question, I think the probable solution should be second option, guys. Decision tree classifier. Decision tree classifier. That is second option, guys. Next, fifth one. State true or false. Gini index enforces the resulting tree to have multi-way splits. So for fifth question, it should be false, guys. Next, sixth one. Sixth, sixth question, guys. Chance nodes are represented by which shape? Chance nodes are represented by what? By dash. So for sixth question, the answer should be third option, circles. Chance nodes are represented by circles. Next, seventh one. Dash is the measure of uncertainty of a random variable. It characterizes the impurity of an arbitrary collection of examples. So for seventh question, the answer should be third option, entropy. It should be entropy. So mark third option, guys, entropy. Next, eighth one. N nodes are represented by dash. N nodes are represented by what shape? What? Dash. So for eighth question, the answer should be fourth option, guys, triangles. It should be triangles generally. Next, ninth one. Decision tree learners may create biased trees if some classes dominate. What's the solution of it? So for ninth question, it should be first option, balance the data set prior to fitting. Balance the data set prior to fitting. So mark first option, guys. Next, 10th and final question of the assignment. So before getting to know this solution, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So for the course data analytics on, we have collected the exam preparation MCQs. These are the previous year's questions, guys. So you are getting a huge number of 120 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. If you want only one person access, it will be 250 rupees, guys. And if you want 2 to 5 persons access combinedly for the group, it will be 500 rupees, guys. So team up with your friends or the classmates, whoever available, so to reduce individual price, so that you can take it combinedly. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees, guys, it is. And for one person it is this is 500 rupees, and for one person it will be 250 rupees, guys. So this is the mail ID. If you want confirm to make the, if you are confirmed to make the payment, then only mail me, guys. So this is the email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solution. So don't forget to take this pack, guys. Very useful for your final exam preparation. So discuss this with your friends and classmates, guys. So 10th one, suppose your target variable is the price of a house using decision tree. What type of tree do you need to predict the target variable? So for 10th and final question, the probable answer should be second option, regression tree. It should be regression tree. So that's it, guys, for this video. So hope this video helpful for you, and our channel is also very helpful for you in this course. So if you feel the same, please subscribe our channel forever, guys, and like this video, and please share this with your friends and classmates, and don't forget to take this 120 MCQs PDF pack, guys. So discuss this with your friends and classmates. If you are one person, you can, if you are confirmed to make the payment, then you can directly mail me, guys. And if you want your classmates and friends to be included in this, or friends to be included, then please ask their decision, guys. And after all that, please mail me to this email ID if you want to purchase, guys. So that's it, guys, for this video. So I wish you very all the best for your final exam, guys. So do prepare well and think calmly in your final exam. Don't get tensed. If you think calmly, then you can remember all the concepts that you have learned or prepared. So that's it, guys, for this video. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you, all the best, guys.